Here comes Halliburton. Hits the timeline with 7. Outside the arc with 5. Driving in the lane at the goal. He lays it in with 1 3/10 seconds to go. Turner flushes it down the lane. Halliburton inside. Johnson. Smith. 3 ball. Corner pocket. Timeout Milwaukee. And a head out of Decisive and the goal. Lillard bounce pass for Turner, who throws it down. Right there. Decisive for 3. What a pass by McConnell. Football spins and it's blocked by Turner. Gets the rejection. A head down to Portis. Great block by Neesmith.
Terrific effort by Neesmith.
Led by as many as 9. They alley-oop it and Toppin throws it down.
Decisive fires and hits. For these guys, what a heck of a victory.
And this one is over. Unbelievable.
Sweet babies.